Want that thick, wide vocal stack without crowding your lead vocal? Here's a super simple trick using the new chorus plugin. It's clean and easy to use. I have a lead vocal, octave, and a left-right double. I'm gonna leave the lead vocal without any chorus as I want this to stay up front in the mix.
I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose.
For the octave vocal, I'm gonna use mode 1. It's got the least amount of width and it's perfect for a subtle lift that supports the lead without stealing focus.
I do whatever I want, whenever I want. I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose.
Next, I've got a left and right double of the lead melody. These get mode 2. Just a little more width to open things up while still keeping it tasteful. I'm also going to engage 4 to increase the intensity on this one.
I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose. I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose.
Now, let's hear everything in the mix before and after.
I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose. I do whatever I want, whenever I want. Try to control me, you will lose. Yeah, you will lose.
Same vocals, but way more dimension and vibe. So save this post for your next vocal mix and stay tuned for next week's episode of Sound Lab.